Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: an associate has just spent an hour working with a customer who is shopping for a party she is having this weekend. The customer realizes one of the last times in her cart is damaged. The employee offers to try to order a replacement for the damaged item and have it shipped to the customer in the time for the party. The employee takes the customer's information and the customer leaves with her purchases. The associate is due to leave for the day and his supervisor has strict rules about overtime. What should the employee do about the special order? The correct answer of the question: give the order to an other associate to process and ask that he follow up with the customer to let her know the order was placed. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.